right, ladies and gentlemen, serious note, I just want to tell everyone knows that it is the first film that's coming out of the Salman Khan film stable. So, why is it that you chose Bajrangi Bhaijaan as the film that will really be the flag bearer to this Salman Khan films?
Because इससे अच्छी कोई स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली और फिर हमारे डायरेक्टर भी एक बहुत ही सिंसियर एंड बहुत ही जाने माने डायरेक्टर हैं जिनका नाम है कबीर खान। इसके पहले उन्होंने एक हमें फिल्म दी थी जो कि ठीक ठाक चल गई थी, टाइगर। तो इससे बेटर बेट क्या हो सकता है? तो आई थॉट कि सेफ खेलो और अगर होम प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करना है तो घर से ही शुरू करो। मिनी एंड कबीर लाइक फैमिली, तो हमने सोचा कि इससे बेस्ट कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी हमें।
तो सलमान, बजरंगी भाईजान की क्या खास बात?
आप प्लीज हमारी प्रेस को बताइए and then we're gonna show them what it's really all about. But why is it special for you?
खासियत यह है कि मेरी तरफ बहुत ही सिंपल है बजरंगी भाईजान और बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही नेक हैं, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह। अरे वाह, 15 साल के तक कोई टेंशन नहीं मुझे। जब तक ये ऑडियंस रहता है ना,
It's all good.
It's all good.
That's true.
It's all good, all good.
Yep. More about that though, before we actually reveal the trailer, Salman, should we call on the director of the film onto the stage
Yeah,
and
please.
उनसे भी एक गुफ्तगू हो जाए? So
please.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's a guy who I've pretty much crushed on for the last 15-17 years, Kabir Khan. All right. So Kabir, everyone is waiting for Salman and you to show them the trailer first. बहुत सारे questions हैं, बहुत सारी बातें हैं, which I'm sure they want to know about the film. It's weird, you know, me asking him questions because I already know some of the answers. But this is a good opportunity because whatever I ask him, he has to answer today. Was Salman always Pawan for you in this, when you thought of Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
You know, this is a question that was asked me even when I was making Ek Tha Tiger, and somebody asked me why Salman, and my answer was, is there another tiger in the industry? So similarly for Bajrangi Bhaijaan also, once you see the film, there is nobody better for this role than Salman. It's basically Salman personified, and that was very evident जब मैंने पहली ये कहानी जो मिस्टर विजेंद्र प्रसाद ने हमें बताई थी, जब मैंने सुनाई सलमान को, we both just fell in love with this story, and क्योंकि it's in some way this is the way we want to see the world. This is the way we feel the world should be. And that's why it became a very special film for us. And not only did he agree to act in it, I'm producing this film.
That was a bit of a surprise, wasn't it? All right. So I request you to just keep your cameras down for a bit. We'll give you a photo opportunity with everybody and also have a question answer. Whatever you want to know, we are here. Exactly what you expected? More, less? More. Okay. Okay. It's time कि हम आपको उन सबसे मिलवाएं. People who've been, who you would like to question, people who've been involved with the film. So once again, जोरदार तालियों के साथ, please let's have Salman back on stage. Salman. पवन की रसिक आ गई, please.
This is the girl I've had a crush with. 15 17 years. My Benji.
All right, we'll find somebody else who we can crush in a will. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you an opportunity. Please put your hands together for the incredibly talented Nawazuddin Siddiqui. The producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, he's a co-producer. Please welcome Rockline Venkatesh. will be opening the floor open, to you guys for questioning as well. But there are a couple of questions which I think मैं ही पूछ लूँ तो better है उनसे आपको अंदाजा हो जाएगा what Bajrangi Bhaijaan and its making was all about. Kareena, I'll start with you first. आप पवन की रसिका की इस फिल्म में, जैसे कि सलमान ने बोला, he's been your admirer for 15 years. It's the first Salman Khan film's home production, and you're its very first heroine. How does that feel? And how was it playing Rasika?
There are quite a few firsts, especially when it comes to Salman. The first man who saw me in an
Also was Salman Khan when I was 9 years old. Now,
plus the fact that I think that when Atul and Baby became a producer for the first time, I was in their first film in Bodyguard. When Arbaz became a director for the first time, I was in Dabangg 2 in Fevicol. And now Salman becomes a producer for the first time. I'm his Rasika in the film. And of course, I'm working with Kabir for the first time.
That's right. So there are many, many firsts. How has it been playing, Rasika? It's a character which has a lot of layers, and she's
it's a special character.
pure.
We've tried to keep it as real and very unlike, I think, a typical Hindi film heroine, because as you know, Kabir is very, very real as a director. I mean, if you try to wear extra jewelry or a little more accessories, he's like, you're too overdressed for the scene. So I think that we've tried to keep it as real, and I'm really happy and excited about the entire film and to be part of the entire film.
Great. There's a whole lot of fan base out there which is just waiting for your, the trailer to come out so they can see your look in the film and what you're doing in the film, and they finally got to see it. Kabir, a little bit of an introduction to... क्यों हंस रहे हैं आप लोग मेरे पे? This is ridiculous. मैं दोबारा नहीं करूँगी ये. मैं कभी भी पूछती हूँ उनसे कुछ, आप हंसते हैं. कबीर, इससे पहले कि मैं बाकी थोड़ी serious questions पूछूं, आप why don't you tell everyone about I've often heard Kabir say at home that Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the kind of cinema that he's always wanted to make. It's his true expression of a filmmaker. I know it's true, but can you tell them how?
I mean, there are lots of reasons for it. One is, of course, it's an incredibly warm story about human relationships, but it's set against a very larger-than-life backdrop, and that's the kind of cinema I've always wanted to, that's the kind of cinema I like watching, and I obviously love making, where there's a nice, intimate, warm human relationship story, but set against this very energetic backdrop. And it's also the issue, the politics of the film, the way people behave is something that is very close to my heart and very close to Salman's heart. And that's the reason why I think Bajrangi is the kind of film that we really are really excited to make.
Salman, ये सब जानते हैं that you are not, one just saw in the trailer that there are multiple locations, and there are deserts, and there are mountains, and there are rivers, and there's like every possible topographical change in the film. ये सब जानते हैं कि आप you like to shoot around, Bombay, Karjat, Panvel.
Studio Panvel, Karjat. But he likes to shoot all over the world.
So आप फंस गए basically.
पिछली बार दुनिया के हर कोने के अंदर लेके गए थे. पहले ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हुआ करते थे ना, तो इनको ट्रैवलिंग का बड़ा शौक है. अब इस फिल्म में, क्योंकि ये इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सके हम लोग, क्योंकि इंडिया बेस्ड फिल्म है, एंड ही इज अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक फिल्म मेकर, तो इन्होंने हमको पूरा देश दिखाया है इस बार. पूरा देश दिखाया, और देश की भी मतलब कि एकदम अंदर लेके गया हम. It was a great experience.
You did it, and you did it so like आप पहाड़ भी चढ़े, आप नदी में भी कूदे, and you walked through desert. So आपकी क्या मतलब, what were you thinking inside? गालियाँ दे रहे थे?
मेरा कार्डियो अच्छा हो गया.
Right. What has been the process of going through, the character of Pawan is very close to you, जैसे कि कबीर ने कहा, it's very similar to what you are in real life. Did you, आपकी कोई internal discoveries भी हुई as the film?
जब हमने first time ये script सुनी थी, तो एक वो greed आता है ना कि ये film किसी और के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. It's such a beautiful story told. I don't think that anyone would have been able to tell the story better than Kabir and me. So for you guys, I mean, कोई और बना लेता, बकवास बनती पिक्चर, चलती पिक्चर, लेकिन we thought के एक एहसान कर देते हैं, कि इस फिल्म को इतनी अच्छी बनाते हैं कि ये फिल्म अब चलना ना चलना वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में, लेकिन we've given this film our best because we totally believe in this film. ये प्यार मोहब्बत की फिल्म है, सिंपल लोगों की कहानी है और एक लार्जर देन लाइफ के बैकग्राउंड में सेट है. मुझे तो ये ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि हम लोग सिर्फ एडिटिंग रूम में फिल्म देखते हैं या ओनली व्हेन यू डबिंग, बट जब इस फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहा था मैं तो बार बार ये नरेशन सुनाई दे रहा था मुझे. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट एंड एवरी टाइम देयर वाज अ शॉट आई वाज नॉर्मल, साउंड, कैमरा, एक्शन, and in the emotional moments tears used to come out. So usually, I'm talking about me, मैं बड़ी ठोक पीट के काम करता हूँ, emotional scene में, not to feel that emotion, to put glycerine and to make it work, it looks okay on screen, so इतनी मेहनत क्यों करो. But in this film I didn't even have to do that. I used to turn around in a shot and there were tears flowing down my cheeks. And एक्शन में गुस्सा आता था, कॉमेडी में हंसी आती थी, रोमांस में बस रोमांस का ही प्रॉब्लम था बस. रोमांस में अली आते थे, सैफ अली आते थे.
Kareena, we won't ask you to comment on that one. Absolutely. I think Kareena can make her chemistry work with anybody pretty much because they really look really hot in the film. नवाज, आपकी ये सलमान के साथ दूसरी फिल्म है, कबीर के साथ भी दूसरी फिल्म है, आपने न्यूयॉर्क में भी एक किरदार निभाया था. How is it working with the Salman Khan in this film where you're not really like playing the other guy,
एक्चुअली किक में तो ज़्यादा क्योंकि बॉम्बे में शूट हो रहा था तो आउटडोर पे जब जाते हैं तो बहुत बॉन्डिंग हो जाती है, तो एक दूसरे के बारे में काफ़ी जानने लगते हैं. तो जैसे मंडावा से शुरू हुआ, जयपुर के पास में है मंडावा जहाँ से हमने शूटिंग शुरू की, और वहाँ से फिर कश्मीर तक शूटिंग करते गए. तो बहुत मज़ेदार जर्नी थी एक तरह से अगर देखा जाए तो. वो स्क्रीन पे भी पता चलता है. वो जब आप आउटडोर का एक फ़ायदा होता है कि जैसे जैसे आप टाइम निकलता जाता है और ऐसे बॉन्डिंग बनती जाती है आपकी, और वो केमिस्ट्री फिर स्क्रीन पे भी दिखती है. It was fun actually to work.
What kind of a co-star?
डिपेंड करता है किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो. ये इसका नेगेटिव भी होता है, जैसे जैसे काम करते जाते हो वैसे वैसे और मुश्किल होते जाता है.
मुश्किल भी बढ़ती चली जाती है.
वो आपकी तीसरी फिल्म में देख लेंगे फिर. But I just like to turn the mic around to Venkatesh. Firstly, Rockline isn't your real name, is it?
Yes, Rockline Venkatesh.
It's a very cool name. I just want to tell you that.
Thank you very much.
How has it been, your association with Salman Khan Films? You're one of the co-producers, and what do you want to say to the press about the association?
I'm very happy to be a part of this movie, and really it's a miracle. It's a miracle to me being a co-producer for Salman Khan's film and Kabir Khan's film. Only because of Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Bajrangi is it.
And I want to thank Mr. Vijayendra Prasad and Rajesh also in this regard. Thank you very much.
Right. He's a wonderful author of the story, and he's right here. I'd like to give him a warm round of applause.
The hero of this film is the script, and Mr. Prasad has written the script.
There he is, Mr. Vijayendra Prasad, ladies and gentlemen. It
is the finest stories that I've ever heard, ever.
Nandu, what do you think was Eros's motivation to be on board for this film?
Well, all I can say is Eros is very delighted to be part of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Mr. Salman Khan, Mr. Kabir Khan, and Eid can't expect anything bigger and better than this. Expect fireworks this Eid.
And more. And I come to the other gentleman in the pink shirt. Amar, you're the CEO of Salman Khan Films. It's a very proud moment for Salman as a producer, and for you guys. It's been a tough journey for this film. It's gone all over the place. I mean, all over the country shooting this film. How has it been for you, honestly? Come on, Amar, give it up.
So it's been quite incredible. We had a finishing line in place, which was that we had to come with this film on Eid, and we've had a cast and crew which has worked really hard to make it to this, and we promise you what you have is a really entertaining film with a lot of heart. And I just want to thank also the our partners who were with us on this film. So Eros, of course, and T-Series who are not here today, but they've been great help along with the cast and crew, and I think we'll have a really entertaining film at hand on Eid.
Salman, you've been, in all your films, the music is the talking point also. I mean, it's always had beautiful music. So, इस film के music में आप हमेशा involve होते हैं हर film के music के साथ. What do you want to say about the music of this film?
इस फिल्म का अभी तो एक्चुअली थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी कि रमज़ान कल से शुरू हो रहे हैं, तो सबको रमज़ान मुबारक हो. एंड उसके बाद ईद आएगा. जब ईद आएगा तो बजरंगी भाईजान ईद के साथ आएगा, और उसके पहले आपको हमारा म्यूज़िक सुनने को मिलेगा, जो कि हर फिल्म के अंदर बोलते हैं कि बहुत ही अच्छा म्यूज़िक है. एवरी फिल्म दिस म्यूज़िक इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग, एंड इससे बेटर म्यूज़िक कभी रहा नहीं. परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में ही बोलते हैं, और ये भी बोलते हैं कि लेकिन इस फिल्म में म्यूज़िक बड़ा हटके है. तो जो 15-20 साल के जो इंटरव्यूज के अंदर जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस वगैरह किए हैं हम लोगों ने, वो लेके हमेशा से छाप देना चाहिए आप लोगों को.
That's not fair. इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक काफी खास है.
खास है.
इस फिल्म का
म्यूजिक बहुत ही खास है. प्रीतम ने हमको म्यूजिक दिया है, और एक गाना तो आपने सुन ही लिया है, जो कि आपको सबको बहुत पसंद आया है. ये हमको कैसे पता चलता है कि म्यूजिक बड़ा हिट हो गया है? क्योंकि भूषण कुमार का एक लुक चेंज हो जाता है. भूषण कुमार खुश होते हैं, हंसते हैं, गाते हैं, उनकी वॉकिंग की स्पीड थोड़ी सी बढ़ जाती है, थोड़े से और गोरे हो जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा वेट और पुट डाउन हो जाता है उनका, थोड़े से और दिलदार हो जाते हैं वो. तो ऐसा वी गेट टू नो कि म्यूजिक चल गया है. और फिर जब रिक्शाओं में बजें और नाइट क्लब्स में बजें और फिर टीवी पर बजे और फिर लोग बच्चे गुनगुनाना शुरू कर दें उसको, देन वी नो दैट द म्यूजिक इज अ बिग हिट. सो ये जो ले ले गाना है, ओ ले ये तो बहुत बड़ा हिट हो गया यार.
Right. Well, there are a lot of things जो हम अभी आपको बता सकते हैं, which because the making of this film has really been an incredible, journey, not just geographically but emotionally, and over, this has been shot over not such a large expanse, so everything has happened pretty much fast. बहुत कुछ ऐसा है जो हम बता सकते हैं, but what we're going to do now, we're going to open the floor to questions. For a few questions, let me see some hands, and we'll take it from there.